welcome back to the channel. Day 2 of owning this Evo. A lot of work gonna have to go into it, but I got it. You know what I'm saying? I got it. I'm about to go over what's missing and what I need for the car. So like I said before, the bottom part of that little virus kit is missing. That looks like a busher intercooler. I said it was a ETS earlier in a different video. It's a busher. Obviously, car have no motor or transmission. I do have the axles for it. I do have the drive shaft for it. I need motor mounts and some other stuff. I need the cap for the brake thing right here. Probably gonna have to bleed, not probably, I'm gonna have to bleed the brakes and get everything out. It does have all that in here, so that's a good thing. Shifter cables are in here. So I'm gonna need motor, transmission, center diff. I'm gonna need engine mounts. I'm gonna need that little front cowl that go right here, the wiper blades. I'm gonna need front seats. They have seat belt. They have all this stuff in here. I need a cluster for up there. I need the A pillar. I think those are A pillars. The things over there, or B pillars, whatever. I think these are the B pillars. These are the A pillars. And then I need the one for the rear. I need the little cover that go back here for the rear. I need that little cover that go back there. Need a new rear window. I want the OEM wing, so I'm gonna get an OEM wing for it. I don't like that the trunk flies up like this. I have the battery back here. There's the axle and the drive shaft, part of it. They had this junk in there. I don't even know if I'm gonna put it back right now. Well, for now, but damn, I'm weak. That's how they had that sitting in there. That's how I picked it up. But overall, car is in really good condition. What I'm gonna do now, this is how it looked before. It's all dirty. It's got all the muck and stuff on it. 7 years of sitting down at English Racing. Obviously, it's been in the sun, so this is peeling. I'm gonna give it a good pressure wash. Then I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna give it another good pressure wash and get all this stuff off. So this is before. Obviously tires are done, but exhaust is clean. Got a nice exhaust on it. It's got some nice brakes on it. Nice brakes. Wheels are pretty dope. I don't know if I would keep them though. If I do, I'll paint them a different color. But yeah, nice offset on it. Good thing you don't have to run no spacers, because I hate that. Yep. 6-piston calipers up front. Yeah, let me get this back a little bit more and I'll start pressure washing it. Getting rid of these. I would have taken the kit off, but the underneath here has been cut, so if I take this off, quarter panel is gonna look ugly. So I'm gonna leave the kit. I gotta fix that. It folds under a little bit, like this side. That side, that fits right. But as you can see, man, the price of this car right here is this exhaust. It's got a dope, you guys can't hardly see it because of the sun, but it's got a dope full titanium, full titanium exhaust on here. I think it's 3-inch. Probably gonna use this with the build. Probably gonna get some blacked out tail lights with the black housing. I'll tint the windows, but I'm gonna try to get all the parts for the car itself. So all the body parts, these little side markers, shit like that, and then I'll start getting the engine parts. I know this is not a super build, but it's another build on the channel. Once again, super build is going away. Person that I bought it from would like to get back into drifting, getting back on the track. I wanted another project that was less hectic. Not that I couldn't do it, because I could have. Came up on the Evo and boom, it was a great deal, so couldn't pass it up. With all the stuff that's on here, it's well over what I paid for this car. Like beyond this, this car was a steal for the stuff that's on it right now. But that's it. Like, share, subscribe, come back, check me out. Peace.